She served as an attorney for McCoy and Stokes for 6 years, and now Sara Turner has her own law firm. In this edition of Quintin's Close-Ups, I sit down with Sara one-on-one. And be sure to download the free Quintin's Close-Ups app in your Apple or Google Play stores.
Well, Sara, it's so good to meet you.
So nice to meet you as well.
I appreciate this.
I appreciate you having me.
Oh, anytime. So here we sit. You are a well-known attorney here in Charleston, having working for my buddy Peter McCoy and Stokes on King Street. But now you have your own independent practice. Obviously, this particular headline reads this: the law office of Sara A. Turner focuses on criminal defense, family law, and personal injury. Tell me, why independent practice? Why now?
So there's never a good time to leave a great practice and start your own thing. So I decided this year that if I did not do it, then I'd probably keep waiting. So I was ready to do it.
And obviously, you talked about McCoy and Stokes. What was it like for you to work there as an attorney for 6 years in your mind?
It was a privilege. I enjoyed every day going to work. They taught me so much. I learned how to try a case with them, and all the experience that I have today that I'm able to use, I am very honored to have worked for them for as long as I did.
And let me go back to the headline. It says the law office of Sara A. Turner focuses on criminal defense, family law, and personal injury. What is the state of criminal defense, family law, and personal injury right now when you think of all of these cases that are going on?
Criminal defense, I mean, there's always somebody getting in trouble in one way or another, and I handle cases that are minor, college kids, or at the College of Charleston kids who get in trouble, all the way up to violent offenses. And unfortunately, everyone always gets, people get divorced. There's always somebody, unfortunately, about half of people who are married end up getting divorced, and so I'm there to advocate for those people.
And let me go back, because obviously they said a lot of good things about you at McCoy and Stokes. In fact, Peter McCoy, State Representative Peter McCoy said this quote about you: "I wish Sara well as she starts her own law firm. She's a valuable asset to the South Carolina bar and always conducts herself in a professional and integrity-filled manner. I'm confident she will serve her clients well and continue to be an exceptional member of the bar." So talk to me about your experience with the South Carolina bar.
I will say that my experience has been great. I would say more specifically the Charleston County Bar has been absolutely wonderful to me since I've left my office. I've had plenty of attorneys reach out to me, ask to take me to lunch, just to talk with me about starting their own firm and some things to look at. So I think that we're very grateful in Charleston specifically to have the bar that we do.
And let me turn back to you. Obviously, you are a graduate of the Charleston School of Law, and obviously you handle a lot of criminal cases in magistrates court, municipal court, general sessions, family court, and federal court. What case, without naming any details or whatnot, describes your profession?
That's a good question. I would say, I handle a lot of magistrate cases.
Okay.
That's probably the bulk of my cases is magistrate municipal court offenses. But I handle, the big general sessions cases that end up in a trial have really formed me into the attorney that I am, because there's so many things that go on during a trial that are much different than handling a case on a lower level court.
Mm-hmm.
And so I would say that, through my experience and my practice, that the cases that have really made me the attorney I am would be the bigger general sessions trials that I've handled.
And let me go back to the Charleston School of Law. Who was Sara Turner as a student?
As a student, I was actually the youngest person in my class, and I had decided kind of later on in college to apply to law school. And I really, really enjoyed the Charleston School of Law. It was the first time that I really felt engaged in class, and I knew that that was going to be my profession as being a lawyer. I had great friends and great colleagues now who I still talk to every day, and I really enjoyed my experience there, and all the professors and continued assistants after graduation.
And let me go back to you and your law office. Obviously, it's going to be located, it's actually located now in Walpole Creek Drive.
Yes, it is.
What is your vision of Sara Turner law firm that is?
Right now, I'm keeping my doors open, and I'm excited to help people. I hope eventually that I will be able to grow and have some additional attorneys possibly in the future.
Yes.
But right now, I'm just trying to provide the best service to my current clients who are with me now, and continue to grow that.
Emotionally, what is it like just to have your own?
It's a good feeling. Both my parents have owned a company together their entire life, so I've seen the struggles and the good parts of owning a business. And so I think growing up, understanding that's been very helpful to me to understand that it's going to be hard in the beginning. You know, there's a lot of groundwork you have, organization, but I'm ready for it, so I feel good about it.
That's so good to hear.
Yes.
Well, Sara Turner, thank you so much for your time. I really, really appreciate this.
Thank you. I really appreciate you having me.
Yeah, anytime. Yeah, thank you.